Oh, it's so warm here. It's so nice. Yeah, can we just stay here in the sun? Yay, we're on. What are we on?
I don't remember.
Chester's Dino Adventure of Death.
Place. I don't remember. It's right.
Dino-Whirl.
No, it's not Dino-Whirl.
Shiny here.
Reminding you for your safety to stay
That's the
seated
goat.
with that seatbelt fastened good and tight.
Mason?
While
Mason
you're
and Daddy?
spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And be sure to watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row
Tristan,
can use
my
their lever
pianist.
to tilt forward or backward.
Oh.
Riders in the back row can use their lever to fly higher or lower.
And that's not what this
Ready?
she said though.
Then let's go for a spin.
So you can lift it up and go down.
Yeah, but then you literally said,
No.
oh, sorry.
No, you run.
No.
Yeah, we have the up and down this. Oh God, we're going up anyway. Take us up. Take us all the way up. Go at the top.
Whoa, boy! How was that for a spin? Now, please stay seated until your Triceratops comes to a complete stop. Then, make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.